Our COVID-19 coverage now, and mixed reaction tonight over Governor Ducey's executive order rescinding masks for grades K through 12. Some districts keeping with masks, others making them optional. Some planning to talk about it at upcoming board meetings. Tonight, our Cameron Polam fact-checking the governor.
That executive order from the governor states this recommendation aligns with CDC guidance. Tonight, we're fact-checking that claim with the agency itself. Governor Doug Ducey issued an executive order Monday saying on Twitter, in alignment with CDC guidance, the state would rescind rules that school districts require students to wear masks on campus.
What we would recommend that they look at and work with their local public health authorities is the community transmission and the extent to which their staff have been vaccinated.
That's State Health Director Dr. Kara Christ on KTAR radio this morning, advising districts on how to determine if it's safe to allow kids to attend school without masks. But both her claim and the governor's statement about aligning with the CDC is false. Today, we sent the order to the agency itself. On their website, recommendations posted there continue to stress the need for universal and correct mask use in schools, no matter the transmission rates.
Just because he's the executive of the state and has a fancy pen and can write these proclamations, it certainly doesn't mean he should. And clearly, it certainly doesn't mean that the people should, if they care about their health and safety, listen.
Data from the American Academy of Pediatrics shows more than 3.6 million children have been diagnosed with the coronavirus across the nation. Fortunately, only a small percentage, around 1 to 3%, required hospital care. While children are far less likely to suffer severe consequences from the virus, they remain the perfect vector for the disease as an asymptomatic carrier.
Kids are obviously very high risk for transmitting it, even though they remain at very low risk for having a serious adverse outcome or death.
Some districts have already pushed back, saying they will keep mask mandates in place, while others are making it optional. In an email, the CDC says masks should continue to be used as part of a strict prevention plan that also includes a minimum of 3 feet social distancing while in classrooms. Ironically, our state's top doc says she's not taking any chances with her own kids.
Regardless of what the schools require, I'm still going to have my kids wear masks. That is our recommendation.
Confused yet? Well, you're not alone. I'm Cameron Polam, ABC 15, Arizona.